everybody, thanks for watching the Lord of the Rings music video. I want to give a big shout out thanks to Devin Graham, also known as Devin Supertramp. He did all the amazing cinematography on that video. He actually films all my music videos. You gotta check out his channel right here, Devin Supertramp. He does amazing stuff. Also, I want to thank Steven Anderson. He's the one that did the amazing production work on the orchestral backing for this song. So his iTunes link is in the description. I also have original music on iTunes as well, so be sure to subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching.